Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Bake Bread with Becca. Today I'm going to show you how to make baguettes, which I know can be a little bit scary to do at home, but I really go through and break down all of the steps for you so that you can do it as well. And honestly, I think these homemade baguettes are way better than anything that you can buy at the grocery store. So let's get started. In a large bowl, mix the warm water and yeast. Let sit for a few minutes to hydrate the yeast. On top of the yeast mixture, add the bread flour and salt. Mix together using a bench scraper or your hand. Place the dough on a clean counter. Knead just until the dough completely comes together, about 1 minute. Oil a large bowl. Place the dough in the bowl and gently press it down. Oil the top of the dough and then cover with a clean kitchen towel. Ferment on the counter for 1 hour. Fold the dough over itself, being gentle to avoid deflating the dough, and then flip it so the side with the fold is on the bottom. Cover and ferment for 1 hour. Repeat this 2 more times, folding the dough and fermenting for 1 hour each time. Before moving on to shaping the dough, set up the oven. Place a pizza stone or cookie sheet on the middle rack. Place a cast iron or baking tray on the bottom rack. Preheat the oven to 475 Fahrenheit. Divide the dough into 3 equal pieces. They will weigh about 270 grams each. Pre-shape the dough by gently flattening each piece and rolling it up. Seal each piece of dough with your thumbs and place on a floured surface, seam side down. Cover with a clean towel and rest for 10 minutes. On a lightly floured surface, stretch each piece of dough by rolling with your hands. Taper the ends by rolling under the heel of your hands. Repeat with each piece of dough and place on a small cookie sheet. Pop any large bubbles on the surface. Cover with a towel and proof for 45 minutes. Flour each dough and score 3 times with a sharp paring knife. Slide the baguettes onto the pizza stone. Toss 1 cup of ice into the cast iron and quickly close the oven. Bake at 475 for 15 minutes or until the baguettes are nicely browned. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this recipe as much as me and my family did. I know we ate those baguettes pretty much as soon as they came out of the oven. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter as @breadwithbecca, and I'll see y'all next week.